At PALFINGER, we believe the right service truck should bring out the best in a professional field mechanic. We stand behind our PAL Pro Mechanics trucks and understand that your service cranes need to lift more, reach further, and weigh less. Your crane bodies need to be built to handle the toughest loads and job site conditions. We know that rust shortens the lifespan of your service truck, which is why we're the only manufacturer to epoxy electrocoat every crane and body that leaves our factory for the best available rust protection. Each body is upfitted with a wide range of accessories, including Line-X, work lights, storage options, and more, to ensure you have what you need to keep going on the job. As one of the largest crane manufacturers in the world, we represent PALFINGER's values of quality, reliability, and innovation to build products equipped to handle the most demanding jobs. Let's work together in raising the bar of excellence with the innovative, performance-driven PALFINGER PAL Pro Mechanics trucks.
PALFINGER.